Hello,
Hello.
this is Shirley's daughter and son-in-law, and we're getting ready to go to a Valentine dinner at my husband's job. And my mom wanted us to come on and say hello. So hello.
Hello.
And welcome to Living Life with Beauty. And my daughter, look at her hair. She has natural hair as well. Look how pretty it is. Turn around, let them see. See, she's been growing her natural hair for how long?
It's been about a year and a half.
About a year. Look how pretty she got it. So yeah, guys, I had to come show you what my daughter and my son-in-law looked like going to their Valentine's party. And I just love her natural hair. I want you guys to let me know how you think about her hair and give me some comments down in my comment section and let me know. Don't you think that natural hair is pretty? I hope mine turn out to be that pretty. Alright guys, thanks for coming to my channel. And I'll be watching you as you watch me. And as always, you know, God bless. Bye-bye guys. Much love.